Good afternoon. Ah, you're eating? Ah, well. Why your face like this? The sun they affect you too. You do it. You even put chicken. You got your cup. Hello. You disturb me. Let's say you know say they go. They say you love me. This is the time I want you to prove your love.
I love you.
The rest where they like very well with this. You try yo. How was work?
It's fine.
Yeah, funny. You're going that time. I love you. I love you, Mama. Baby, you know what? I love you so much. I'm just telling my friends about you. You're a very nice man.
I'm trying to finish my nose and chicken. You are very wicked. Continue your wickedness. Your voice watching at you.